Is the barbed wire electric?
No.
The whole fence is.
Well, I know it's not because I didn't go zzz.
So that's Cody, the blue tag.
He doesn't want to be pet.
Yeah.
You think I'm a fly? He says, just feed me, would you? Here, Brenda.
And Pete, that's T-Bone. That's our little steer. He's the friendliest.
He looks like it.
Yeah. And you're their best friend when you got food.
There you are.
Can you tell they like feeding?
I don't think they know that, dear.
They really like feeding time, don't they?
Well, that's what we do with Odin. Come on, to clapping the hand. Okay, we're done. No more food, and then he walks away. Here you go, Cody. That's funny.
I think Mink's got one.
Uh-oh.
Hey, T-Bone. Yeah. They kind of get spooked real easy, so it's nice to move quiet and gentle.
There you go. Oh,
there you are. It's right there. Never mind. We'll find
Sticking
it.
your tongue out, T-Bone.
Don't they have funny tongues?
It just had a little bit of it sticking out.
Ow. Ow.
Here you go.
Here you go. Yes, you want.
What's the name of 99?
Haley.
Haley.
Like Haley's Comet. She's the shyest one. And then Gloria, 96, is the next shyest.
Well, Gloria took some from me.
Oh, good.
Here, Cody. Right there. Right there. There you go.
Almost done.
Hey, I got cow slobber all over my hands.
Whoop.
That's okay. She likes them too.
Oh, does she?
Yeah, Mink steals one whenever she can.
Not much left.
T-Bone.
Oh, he got the fence in there. You can, while you're feeding them, you get a chance to kind of pet their neck a little bit if you want. Once the food's gone, you don't get that chance anymore.
They keep licking it out of my hand.
Those are some long tongues to get that food.
Okay. Nope. Here, let me get something.
Hold on. Hold on. Hey, hold on. No more.
Here.
See, we're going to train your cows.
Yeah.
Is Mink's been in the pen with him?
Yeah, they try to kill her. They don't like them. They don't like little fast moving. Woohoo! You know, she's a lot like a coyote would be, and they're just they're kind of a prey animal. They become prey a lot, so they're not really
They
do eat out of your hand.
yeah.
Oh, go ahead.
T-Bone.
You know, they can run up to 30 miles an hour.
Wow.
Yeah. You can't outrun them to get out of the pasture.
Oh. Hey, careful.
But with their horns, they can protect themselves.
I think he snorted some.
Probably thinking, where's the big piece?
Yeah.
Give me sawdust? Whoops.
I can't have it in the angle.
He's looking for the big piece. Like, God, he'll take your finger.
I think it's, I think they can tell the difference between the color. He's trying to bite my hand.
He thinks your hand is the food.
Great job, Cody.
How many times a day do you feed him?
Just once. I don't feed them cookies like this much anymore because we want them to know it's a treat and come to us when we have them so that we can move them around through a handling area and stuff.
Okay.
But at night, they won't eat hay as much during the day if you feed them in the morning. But if you feed them at night, you can beefing up their food a little bit and help them gain a little bit of weight. So we give them a soy and corn mix at night.
Oh, okay.
Great job. Thank you, guys.
I wash my hands.
Yep.